We know 93% of consumers check and trust reviews before buying online. How can your company turn that into an advantage? Smaartpulse uses NLP and machine learning techniques to convert your unaccessed customer reviews into actionable insights, which assists customers in making better purchasing decisions, drastically increases your customer engagement, increases your conversion rate, and even decreases your cart redundancy and losses from returns. With Smaartpulse, Flipkart, India's largest e-commerce company, experienced a 30% increase in conversion, a 5 times increase in customer engagement, and 30% fewer returns. Smaartpulse helps to assure your customers that they are making the right buying decision to match their needs. It eliminates confusion and shortens the consumer's purchasing decision cycle time by analyzing and organizing tons of customer reviews. Our existing clients take into consideration that customers are willing to spend 31% more on products with positive reviews. So, Enixta uses a multi-aspect sentiment insight approach to extract aspects mentioned in the reviews. Sentiment analysis of reviews, identifying emotions and feelings. Quantitative insights, like the number of positive and negative reviews. Product scores, more effective in taking decisive steps regarding a product. Smaartpulse is easily scalable to all categories, including consumer electronics, footwear, apparel, consumer durables, pet food, hotels, restaurants, watches, and many others. We have the power to extract and process billions and billions of reviews and provide unique, unbiased, 360-degree coverage of all popular e-commerce and social media sites in varied formats like images, audio, video, and speech-to-text. We also provide multilingual support. Smaartpulse means less confused consumers, faster purchasing decisions, and increased sales. Smaartpulse